Let's go now to the story.
We're gonna go to book 1.
Book 1, page 48. Book 1, page 48. We will read Seeing Stars. Before we start reading this selection, I want you to watch this video carefully. It's about seeing stars and how it helps us, or
It helps us with the light. I don't have book 1.
okay, I'm screenshotting it. Yeah, Samir, you can read it from the e-school. So Samir, I know that you don't have book 1, and I know even I don't have book 1. I put the pages on e-school. Okay. First of all, before we start anything, dear, you should know that this selection is an expository selection. Expository. It means it exposes, it shows, it tells. So it's an expository selection that shows facts. And when I talk about facts, it means it's a non-fiction story. It is non-fiction, not fiction, non-fiction. It has facts about stars. So let's read this one carefully. Before we start on the book, please look at the screen, watch carefully, and let's discuss it carefully.
Seeing Stars. This lesson includes Art 201 and 200. Seeing Stars, written by Donna Latham.
So Donna Latham is the one who wrote Seeing the Stars. The genre, or what kind of story is that? It's an expository non-fiction story. Yeah, I know, yeah, Sally, yeah, I know. But look at the screen to know the information that I need you to see.
The genre is expository nonfiction, which gives information and facts. What is an expository nonfiction? It is a book that gives facts about a topic and explains about something in real life.
So expository, it's a book or a text that tells you facts about real life. So it tells you not opinion, facts about real life, true things about real life. So this story is an expository story. It is an expository story. And it gives us information about stars.
This is an expository nonfiction story. This selection will give us some interesting information related to the stars. Question of the week. How are stars different from each other?
So our question for this week, for this selection, how are stars different from others? Yesterday we watched a video about stars and we said the stars come in different color, in different size, and stars, some of them are old and some are still new. Okay, so how are stars different from each other? This is our question. Yes, dear. Yes.
Don't understand.
Muhammad, what you don't understand? What you don't understand, ya Muhammad? What is the thing that I'm talking about you don't understand?
I don't understand this lesson.
Muhammad, we didn't start with the lesson yet. Muhammad, do you know that this story, you need to know till now, ya Muhammad, is it a fiction or non-fiction story?
What do you mean fiction?
What's a fiction story? It's not real story. Fiction is not real. And non-fiction is real. This one is fiction or non-fiction?
Non-fiction.
So it's a non-fiction story and it's an expository story, ya Muhammad. It means it exposes, it shows you facts, it tells you facts, true sentences. Okay, ya Muhammad?
What?
It tells you true sentences.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Tells us true sentences.
Okay, so this is what we need to know till now, ya Muhammad. Clear?
Okay.
Okay, during the lesson, we need to think how are stars different, how they are different, not the same. Okay, Muhammad?
Some ones all different colors.
Okay, that's it. So you know, you understand it. Nothing is, you understand it, ya Muhammad, till now, okay?
Summary. This story tells some interesting facts about the stars. It tells about the different stars, changing of the map in the sky, and when, where, how we can see the stars. You will definitely have fun reading the story.
So the summary, if we want to sum up this story tells us interesting facts. Facts are true sentences about the stars, and it tells us also when, where, and how we see the stars in the sky. You will definitely have fun reading this story. So you will have fun because it's real dear. So that's why you feel it's interesting to read about it.
I know.
Okay, ya Muhammad.
In this slide, we will have our vocabulary words. Shine, gas, gigantic, dim, temperature, patrons, ladle. Now you will be able to see the meanings and sentences of the vocabulary words we learned. Shine, to give off light. Sentence, I have to shine my shoes. The floor had a good shine. Number 2, gas, a naturally occurring fluid, often used for fuel. Sentence, I smell gas. We ran out of gas. Number 3, gigantic,
Gigantic.
very large. Sentence, that football player is gigantic.
Yes, yes, yes,
It's stopping them working, then stopping them working.
yes, Samir.
The video is stopping and
Okay, I'm gonna repeat from word 1. So I will just keep it on the screen. Shine, it means to give off light. Look on the screen, you can see this is shining. For example, if we wanna see the sentences, I have to shine.